Hello, this is Miss Edwards again coming to you. I'm from Central Elementary School. I'll be reading about our government this morning and the role of the president. And before I start, I would actually like to go over some vocabulary words. So we're just going to switch to the back of the book, to the glossary, and that's where you'll find your vocabulary words will be located. So the first word is decisions. And the word decisions means choices that someone makes. The next word will be legislature. That is the part of the government that writes laws. Executive branch, that's the part of the government that makes sure laws are followed. Then we have the Supreme Court. That's the highest court in the United States where judges make sure laws are used fairly. What are laws? Laws are rules that people must follow. Terms, a fixed period of time. All right, so we got those words, pictures from our glossary. Now we're going to read about the role of the president. This book was written by Christian Chang, and it's titled again, Our Government President. Who is the president? The president is the leader of the United States. They are head of the executive branch. All right, and these are all three branches working together. We have the executive branch, the legislative branch, the judicial branch. This is on the judicial branch. We have the Supreme Court where the judges uphold the laws. We have the executive branch, our president and vice president. And then we have the legislative branch, which is our Senate, and that's where they write the laws. So this is how the presidency is all connected. Voters choose the president every 4 years. The president can serve 2 terms. So if they only choose the president every 4 years, and we look back in the glossary and we know the word term means a fixed amount of time. So if a president can serve 2 terms and they're 4 years each, what is the maximum amount of time a president can serve? I'll give you some think time. Exactly, 8 years. All right. A president must have been born in the United States. They must be 35 years or older. They have to be a citizen at least for the last 14 years. It's a picture of Ronald Reagan, our former president. The duties. The president works in the White House. It is in Washington, D.C. This is a picture of another former president, John F. Kennedy, and his wife, Jackie. The president meets with leaders of other countries. We have another former president, Barack Obama. The legislators write laws. And remember, laws are just rules that people have to follow. So the legislator, they write the laws, and the president, he signs the laws. So we have President Donald Trump right here signing the law. They lead the army. They also suggest judges for the Supreme Court. So they appoint judges to the Supreme Court. This is President Obama. And this is Supreme Court Justice Sotomayor. An important job of the president. The president makes big decisions. Laws they pass are important. The president has to make a lot of decisions. The president works for the people. He's hired by the people and he's working for the people. When I say hire, I mean that's when we vote him in. If I were president, this is a question you can ask yourself. If you were president, how would you lead? What type of leader would you be? All right, thanks. That's all for now.